Hi, I'm Lisa. Welcome to Lelesdesigns. Today, I will show you how to make this shirt for your baby alive doll or any 12-inch doll. I'm including this free pattern, which you will find down below in the description. In order for me to continue to offer these free patterns, I just ask that you watch this whole video through and some of the ads. This way, I get paid through YouTube and you get free patterns. It's a win-win for everyone. Let's get started. Go ahead and print and cut your free pattern. Cut out the material. We will start with the bodice. Put right sides together and pin it. For the bottom of the shirt, we'll fold down 1/4 inch at the end. Then fold another 1/4 inch. Pin it or use clips to keep it in place. Repeat for the other end. Then take it to the sewing machine and sew straight across on each end. For the bodice, we'll sew 1/8 inch from the edge. We'll start at one end of the armpit, go around the curve, and stop right here. Repeat for the other side. Then go down the back, around the neckline, and up the back. Sew straight down on the ends. To move this video along, I will speed up the video during the sewing part, and if you'd like to slow it down, you can do so by clicking the wheel on the lower right side of the video. Choose playback and lower the speed. On a phone or tablet, click the 3 dots that are on the top right corner. Clip your curves. Then let's turn it inside out. And I find it best to use the back of an old paintbrush. Take it to the ironing board and press it. Now grab the back of the shirt and fold it over. Pin it. Repeat for the other side. Take it to the sewing machine and sew 1/4 inch from the edge on each side. All right, for the bottom of the shirt, we are going to fold down 1/4 inch and press. Fold down another 1/4 inch and press. Take it to the sewing machine and sew straight across. And while we're at the sewing machine, we're going to add a basting stitch so we can do a gather up here. We're going to start right here after the fold and go about 1/4 inch from the edge, go straight across, and stop before you get to the fold here. I am sewing down the hem first. Set your sewing machine to base stitch. And if you don't have a base stitch, set it to the longest straight stitch, which is usually 5. We want to start our base stitch right after the hemline here, so make sure you don't get that hem caught in there. So a 1/4 inch from the edge, and do not do a back stitch for the beginning or end. And stop just before that other fold. There we go. And you want to leave a little extra string. All right, now that we got this side sewed, we're going to fold this in half. Need to find the center, match up the seams, and we are going to place a pin, or you can just crease it and then you'll know where the halfway is. And we're going to do the same thing for the bottom of the shirt. Fold it in half, and on here I'm going to go ahead and pin it because we're going to gather it and you're not going to see the crease as well. So put this up top. Now what we're going to do is pull one side of the string, either the top or the bottom, and we're going to gather it. Gather the material till you get to about 9.5 inches. Line up the bottom with the bottom of the shirt and make sure the centers are lined up too. And pin it. Evenly distribute the bottom with the bodice on each side and pin it. Now we want to make sure that your bottoms, your back ends are both lined up on each side as well as the top. And pin it. Repeat for the other half. And I'm going to go ahead and cut my strings now so they don't get caught up in when I'm sewing. Make sure your armholes are facing down when you're feeding it through your sewing machine. We will sew straight across just below your base stitch. Start at one end and go straight across. If you're interested in any of the items I show in my video, you will find a link to purchase them in the description down below this video. To keep the ruffle down, we will do a top stitch straight across. You want to get as close as you can to the seam. After you finish sewing the top stitch, the last thing you have to do is attach the Velcro, which I did that already. You want to make sure you do one on the outside and one on the inside. The Velcro I put on this shirt was purchased at Walmart for $1. I just cut down the center. For the length, I'll leave it up to you if you want it short or long. Another option is, if you'd like to spend a little more money, I found this ultra thin Velcro on Etsy. It's really good quality Velcro, and the good thing is it doesn't get caught up in the doll's hair. You also can use snaps instead of Velcro. Once you get the Velcro on, you are done. Congratulations. This is super easy for your little ones to put on the doll and take off the doll. This shirt looks cute with these bloomers, and that pattern will be released in about a week or less, so be sure to keep checking back. Once it's posted, I'll list it down below in the description and at the end of this video. And if you're interested in these leggings, you can also find that video down below as well as at the end of this video. I literally can't wait to see what you do with this pattern. Don't forget to tag your creation with Lelesdesigns 1 on Instagram, or if you like, you can send me a photo and I'll post it on my photo gallery on my website. You'll find my email down below where you can send your photos. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more of my video, be sure to hit the subscribe button along with the bell. This way, you'll be notified when my next video comes out. And please share my video on your social media. This way, I can continue to offer free patterns. Thank you. Bye-bye.